what's up, Danny here, and welcome to my channel and another video. This video is kind of unexpected, so let's just get to it. Remember when I unboxed my LootCrate? This is still the one I unboxed with the t-shirt. You know, it happened only like a week and a half ago where I uploaded the video. And I only got that, so I canceled the subscription again. And a few days ago, the postman was ringing on our doorbell, and he brought a package signed for me. And I was like, what the fuck? And this was the package. And it's probably signed for because it's damaged. I have no clue. So I was like, why the hell am I getting another LootCrate? It's not like I've ordered another one. So I opened it already, like just the box, not the things that were inside, because I was curious on why the hell I'm getting another box. And I have gotten this in there, and it says, "Thank you, we hope you enjoy this bonus bundle with your purchase." So this apparently is a bonus to the other LootCrate that I've already unboxed. So this is technically part 2 of my March LootCrate unboxing playback theme. So I thought I'm gonna unbox it on here as well. I've only opened it up. So, and there is this inside. Like, you can see which one I'm very excited for, because holy crap. But I've got a pop figure from Star Wars with Han Solo. It's still from Force Awakens, so it's one of the old ones. So I don't usually, I do have like 20 something pop figures, but they're all things that I like. The only Star Wars one I have is BB-8, but you know, it's for free, so I got a Han Solo now as well. So there's that. Then I've got this Lilo pass from The Fifth Element. I love this film. Man, this is so old school. So this is basically a pass holder. So it looks like from Fifth Element. That's kind of cool. So you even got this information here. So yeah, it's got these. Wait, I'm gonna open it. So it looks like this. Oh, that's so cool. It's like an actual card. And then you get this, so you can put in your own. But yeah, it's kind of old school. I love it. I love Fifth Element. That's such a cool film. So yeah, you got that pass holder thingy. And last but not least, I think this box is supposed to become something as well. I don't know what, because I'm dumb. I don't know all the stuff. So I don't know. So yes, I also got this one, and y'all know how much I love Back to the Future, so it's a 5th scale replica of Back to the Future Part 2. Oh shit, that is awesome. Wow, that is so cool. Look at this. I like this. I got a hoverboard. I don't have a hoverboard yet. I like this. That's one of the things I'm actually missing from Back to the Future, a hoverboard. So that's pretty dope. I'm like really happy about this. So now I got the Back to the Future t-shirt and a hoverboard. So and it's official, apparently, which is good. So yes, I've got a hoverboard and I'm really freaking excited about this. So this is the extras I got in this box. So I just wanted to do a quick video with these extra stuff. So, but yeah, this one I'm most excited about. Look at this, so cool. I've only just recently watched all the films again. But yeah, that's already it for this video. Just a quick surprise video, so here's that. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you soon in another one. Bye!